Hello and welcome to this video about join. We use join when we want to join together different tables. Say that we have some information in one table and then we have a little bit of information in another table, and we want to join that together so that we don't have to look things up in two different tables like separately, but we want to do it all at once. That's when we use a join. Like here, I want information about Titanic, but it's a bit boring to have to actually go through different tables, just two different tables, just to find information about one movie. So let's see what join can do about that. Let's start by joining two tables. And let's just start off with select all. I like this syntax because to me it looks a bit tidier. I'm gonna show you right now. Let's see, movie as M, from movie as M, and then join, film format as FF, on, and then we have the keys on M movie, on M film format or format ID equals FF format ID. And let's specify what movie it is. Where Titanic, we're having, should probably be having a where title like Titanic. Instead of all, we're typing out the different column names that we want, like title, duration, min, format ID, and so on. Now we managed to do that. Let's try and add a third table into the mix. There we go. This is the table that I want to add, the location table. And I'm just going to neatly put that under here, join location as L on M location ID equals L location ID. And let's see here, it worked. Now let's join our movie table and our film format table together. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna add count just to count with how many movies and format IDs have been taken into account here in our query. As we can see, we only get 26. Now if we go back to our select all from movie, we can clearly see that there are in fact 27 movies in the movie table and not 26. By adding left join, we make sure that the first table that we are joining, that we get all of the information, all of the rows from that table. So in this case, it's our table to the left is movie, and that makes sure that we get all of the movies in that table. So if you can see here, you can see that Back to the Future is in here, even though it doesn't have any duration minutes yet. It doesn't have a film format or a format ID. So, yeah. And let's just select out some of the columns because we are going to look closer at format ID. Even though we now have all of our movies from our movie table, we don't have all of the format IDs from our format table. Let's see, if we try to search for movie ID FF03, we won't find it because in this view that we created, we're not being able to see that. So in order to be able to see movie ID FF03 when we join our tables, we're going to use a right join. Now, right join is the exact same thing as left join, it just the opposite. It connects or joins two tables, and brings all of the rows with it from the right table, so the second table that we've added, the one to the right. So here, for instance, if we use a right join, we get all of the rows that are in film format. So now you can see that movie 27 is not there, but movie 26 is, because it does have a format ID. And we do have the format F003, which is MP4. Yeah, cool. That is it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day.